Hello students, good morning. Welcome to my online class.
Good morning, sir.
I am Sharad Kharag from Dharavi TC Municipal English School number 2, and today we will learn EVS 1. And here is our administrative officer Mrs. Snehlata Dombre Madam, Nodal Bit Officer Sharad Kurade Sir, Nodal Headmistress Pushpa Mary Paul Madam, and Assistant Nodal Headmistress Mrs. Manpriti Kaur Madam. So before starting today's lesson, we will start our lesson with good thought. So anybody from you, please read this thought.
Dream is not the thing you see in sleep, but is that thing that don't do not, does not let you sleep.
Very good.
APJ Abdul Kalam.
Yes. And this thought is said by Dr. APJ Abdul
Abdul
Kalam.
Kalam.
Can you tell me, do you understand meaning of this thought? Okay, no problem. If you don't know, I will tell you. Listen to me. Dream is not thing you see in sleep. What happens actually when we sleep? We see the dream. Is it right? But dream should be such that when we go to sleep, we have to remember that dream every day, every night, and we have to wake up with that dream. Means will not let us sleep. That is why it is said that dream is not the thing you see in sleep, but is thing that doesn't let you sleep. It will force you to work. It will force you to plan. It will force you to do work hard day by day. So that is why it is said. Now, do you understand? Do you understand meaning of this thought?
Yes.
Very good. Now tell me, what do you see in the picture now?
School.
School. Can you tell me name of your school?
BMC School.
Now, in which class do you study?
Fifth class. I study in
And
fifth class.
last year, which class you were studying?
Fourth class.
Fourth standard. And in next year, in which class you will study? Sixth standard
Sixth
or
class.
fifth class? Yes. Yes. Every year we go to the next class. Do you like your school?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. But due to now pandemic of coronavirus, we all are not going to school. We are doing our study online. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. Now tell me, how many friends do you have in your school?
4.
4. You may have 5, 6, some have 10 friends. Okay. And what do you do with your friends at school when you meet at the school?
We are playing with our friends.
You eat with your friends. You go on playground to play.
Yes.
Yes. You tell stories to each other. You like to chat with each other. So all these things happen at your school. Very good. Now, my next question. At what time you go to your school? When your school were
7:20.
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. Means you were going to school at afternoon session. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. Some students have morning session. So they have to wake up early in the morning. They have to get ready themselves and then they go to the school. Yes, it is very fun to go to school early in the morning also and in the afternoon also. My
Yes.
next question. What will happen if you are late to go to school? What will happen if you are late to go school? Yes. Your school principal or headmaster will not allow you to sit in the class because you are late. Is it right?
Yes.
You will get some soft punishment. Class teacher will
Yes.
ask you, why are you late, beta? Why are you coming late? What happened in your home? So you
Yes,
have to
sir.
answer all these questions and you find yourself in trouble. Is it right? So
Yes.
if you wish that should not happen, you have to wake up early, you have to get yourself ready and you have to go as early as possible to the school. Means there are certain kind of rules at your school. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes, and you have to follow these rules for smooth working of the school.
Yes.
So, student, today we all are going to study a lesson, and name of that lesson is Rules Are for Everyone. Subject EVS 1 and lesson number 6. So, are you all ready now?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, sir.
What do you see in the picture?
Fighting.
Yes,
Two
some
boys
school
are.
students are fighting. Some
Fighting.
students are
Yes.
fighting. Yes, or maybe they are playing. Yes, sometimes they play like this. Do you like to play on your ground with your friend?
Yes.
Yes.
And who is this?
Principal.
Yeah. Can you tell me name of your principal?
Suman.
Yes. Okay. Suman ma'am. Now tell me, can you tell me some discipline of your school? Which rules are there in your school? What are the different rules that are observed in your school?
Yes.
Please tell me. Means you have to go to school on time. Recess timing is fixed. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Long recess timing is fixed. You have to follow all the timing. This prayer timing is different. Different subjects
Yes.
are also different, and you are
Yes.
not allowed to come to late school. So certain kind of discipline or certain kind of rules are there. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. And your school will off after 12:30. Parents are not allowed in between in the class. Parents should visit to their child in recess only. So some kind of rules are there in the school. Is it right?
Yes.
You have to
Yes.
come in the uniform regularly. If you don't wear the school uniform, you are not allowed in the class. Is it
Yes.
right? Yes, na?
Yes. Yes.
Now
Right.
tell me timing of your school.
12 o'clock.
To
12 o'clock to 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Okay. Now tell me what is the recess timing?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Okay, very good.
3 o'clock.
Now third, respect each other. You respect each other means you respect your class teacher, you respect principal, you respect your friends. Yes, you can't
Yes.
talk with them arrogantly. Is it right? If you talk,
And
it will not be good
Yes.
for the school. So that is why you have to respect
yes, sir.
each other. Fourth, listen to your teacher. You listen to your teacher. Whatever homework your
Yes.
teacher tells to you, you complete that homework on the time. So you have to do all
Yes,
the
sir.
work, whatever your class teacher or principal tells you to follow. Yes, you say the prayers, you say the good thoughts. Very good. Next, study on time. You have to study on the time. You have to do all your homework to be complete on the time. So this is also the one of the best rule of the class. Next, participation in the activities. You have to participate all the co-curricular activities like playing on the ground,
Yes.
cultural program, singing, dancing, watering the trees, saying
Poetry.
prayer. So all these activities are there in your school. So you have to participate in all the activities in your school. Seven, speak politely. You have to speak politely with everyone and listen carefully. So these all are the discipline. These are all the some rules that you follow at your school. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now tell me, what do you see in the picture?
Train and
Train
people.
are there. Train stop.
Yes, there is a railway station, and you see crowd
Yes.
at the railway station. So this is the public place. What is this?
Yes.
Public place. Is it right?
Public place.
Yes.
Yes. Means all common people
Yes.
can travel with in the train. So you have there are some rule while traveling in the train, there are certain rules. Which rules are there? Can you tell me? You have to purchase the ticket. Is it right? If you
Yes.
don't purchase the ticket, you will not be allowed to enter in the station. Otherwise, TC will fine you. Is it right?
Yes.
You have to bring your ID proof with you. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes.
And
And they, tell. I am listening. Yes.
coronavirus time, so mask,
Yes. It is a
mask and
coronavirus pandemic.
sanitizer.
So you have to wear mask properly. You have to sanitize your
Mask,
hands.
mask
Yes.
properly.
Yes. You have to maintain social distancing. Is it right?
Yes.
So these are also some rules.
Yes.
And
And if you,
not marks our face, so not entry.
yes. So these are rules. If you not follow these rules, railway department or the railway employee TC will not let you enter in the station. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. So such rules are there at some public places. So to work smoothly, we have to follow all the rules. Yes.
Huh.
Yes. Next picture. What do you see?
This man
Yes.
and
He is not
this
having
girl
his traveling ticket.
fine.
So TC is asking
Fine.
him for fine. Is it
Hmm.
right?
Yes.
They are checking whether he is having proper ticket or no. If you don't have, then you have to pay the fine. So all these things happen at the railway stations. Very good. Next, what do you see now?
Bus stop.
Bus stop. At the bus stop or bus station, we see the crowd of the people. And when certain kind of bus
Yes.
arrives at the bus station, all the peoples on the bus station tries to get inside the bus. This is the common. Yes. So we have to maintain some lines. If we stand in lines, it will be easy to go inside the bus instead of making crowd. Is it right?
Yes.
So there are certain kind of rule at bus station also that should we have to follow. We have to give the change and money to bring the ticket. So all these rule we have to follow at the bus station also. Very good. Now tell me, what do you see? Some people are giving money to the conductor
Yes.
with the tickets of bus.
Yes.
Some are standing in the line.
Yes.
Yes. And do you know some seats are reserved there for senior citizen in the bus? Some seats are reserved for women. Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes.
we should not sit on the place of reserve for senior citizen or reserved for women. So we have to sit on the other place. Is it right? We have to follow this
Yes.
rule. If we do not follow, then
Yes.
some people find some problems. Ladies will not get their seat. Senior citizen are very old age. They can't stand in the bus, so they will not get their seat. So in order to function all the working of bus, we have to follow the rules. That is why it is important to follow the rules. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now next, what do you see?
Traffic.
Traffic jam.
Traffic.
Yes. So we have to also follow some traffic rules. So in next picture, we will try to find which are the traffic rules. So can you tell me some traffic rules? What do you see in the picture? First, tell me. One
Traffic
motorcycle
man.
is there, and traffic police is asking him for
Traffic
his
police are there.
license.
And
His
yes.
license. If he does not have his license, PUC done, then they are
Hi.
asking to pay some fine. Is it right?
Ha, sir.
Yes. Bicycle rider should have his license, PUC, all the necessary
Yeah.
documents he must have with him.
Yeah.
Now there are some traffic rules. There are some sign and symbol. We have to read
Yes.
it. Will you please
Stop.
read it?
First,
Yes.
stop,
Yes.
give way,
Uh,
strength, prohibitor,
Prohibit
prohibitor, no
or no
entry.
entry. No entry.
Yes.
Pedestrian prohibited means
Hmm.
walking by the person is prohibited here. This is the sign for that.
Yes. Horn
Prohibited.
prohibited.
Yes.
Next. No parking.
Yes. Where do you see this no parking? At the marketplace. Yes. At the
Yes.
crowded marketplace, you see such sign. There is a sign written, and under that written, this is written no parking. Means you should not park your vehicle in that area. And if you park, their municipality or their local government will fine you. Is it right?
Yes.
Very good.
No
Next.
stopping or standing.
Yes, means
Speed
if you see
limit.
such sign, at that place, you should not stop because such signs are there on the highway.
Yes.
So, and you should not stop. You should not stand. You have, if you are going on bicycle or in the car, you have to go straight and in the speed. You should not stop there. Okay. And speed
Speed
limit
limited.
50, 50
Right hand.
kilometer per hour.
Yes.
And this is
Right
right hand
hand.
curve. Curve.
Yes.
Right
Curve.
hand curve.
Left hand curve.
Yes.
Right hairpin bend.
Bend. Yes.
Left hairpin bend.
Yes.
Narrow road ahead.
Ahead. Yes. Means if you are going by car or by any vehicle and if you see such sign,
Yes.
means such sign is indicating you that you should be careful because ahead you will get narrow road. So you have to ride very carefully. This sign will inform you. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. Next.
Narrow bridge.
Yes.
Place. Train crossing.
Pedestrian crossing. Yes. Means some people will cross.
Pedestrian
Oh,
crossing.
yes.
School ahead.
Yes.
Roundabout.
Yes.
Dangerous deep.
Dangerous deep. Yes.
Dangerous deep. Hump or run.
Rough. Rough.
Rough. Barrier ahead.
Ahead. Yes. Where do you see that school ahead? When there is school in that local area, and if road is going from that school, so there are signs and symbol written on the board. School ahead means that vehicle driver understands that there is school ahead, and he should go slowly. So these signs are written very purposefully to make people understand to follow the rules. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Means every rules, every sign, every symbol are warning the people to follow the rule, to be careful. How should they keep themselves safe and fine? And if we all follow these all rules are for our betterment. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Now, can you tell me what the right signal for, yellow signal is for, and green signal is for?
Sorry, red signal is stop.
Ready.
Yellow
Yes.
signal is slow.
Slow or
Slow.
wait or wait.
Slow or wait. Green signal is go.
Yes. So this is the right exact meaning of this signal, and we can see such signals on the highways, on the crossings, in the cities. Is it right?
Yes.
Now next, let's chat. We will chat. Can you tell me some traffic rules?
Green light, red light, zebra crossing, speed limit,
You have to explain me. There are some points, and you have to explain me. Green light. If you see green light in the traffic, that is meaning you can go. You have to observe that green light, and then
Red
you can
light
go.
are there, so traffic.
Yes, yes. If there is red light, you have to stop
Yes.
for your turn. And when the green light is there, then you can go.
light to go.
Next, zebra crossing. Zebra crossing means some pedestrians go by that road, so you have to be careful. And D is speed limit, means some certain speed limit are there if you go by highway.
Only 50.
Only 50 or some, depend on the different areas. If there is very much crowded place, that place you have to go by 20 or 30 kilometer per hour
Sir,
also.
in mountains there is speed limit.
Yes. And speed breaker at some crowded places, you may face
Speed.
some speed breaker near the school, near the hospital, near the court,
Yes.
near the police station. Yes, near the medical college. You have to cross that speed breaker with
Speed breaker are
yes,
coming, so stop. Slow gadi.
yes,
20% gadi.
yes,
Speed.
to minimize your vehicle speed. And speed
Ha.
breaker are there purposefully to limit your speed, because there is crowded place, so accident should not happen there. That's why you are trying to maintain your speed. Keep left while we are driving our bike, motorcycle, or cycle. We have to always keep ourselves left side. Is it right? Do you understand why we should keep left always?
Yes.
Yes, means to avoid the accident. Don't overtake. Sometimes we tries to overtake the vehicle when it is the road or good road or highway. That time it is okay, no problem. But when you are at the crowded place, you should not overtake easily. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Take U-turn. Sometimes there are turn, and you have to follow that turn completely. If you try to go in between, that time accident will happen. That's why you have to take U-turn. Whatever turn they are told us to take. Blow your horn softly.
Mummy.
Some people are very habitual to blow their horn very roughly, very loudly. So it will increase the noise pollution and other people will get disturbed. So that's why you have to blow your horn very softly. Is it right? Which
Yes.
is the
Yes,
very
sir.
sounds of
Yes,
Is
sir.
it
other
right?
vehicle. Yes. Next, follow the instructions of traffic police. Traffic
Yes.
police stands on the signal and every time they guide all the peoples. You go this side, you go that side, you stop
They
here,
are
you go there.
managing traffic.
So every time we should we should listen them. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes.
If we
They
listen
are
to them, it
managing
will be
traffic.
very helpful to us also. And it will avoid accidents, chaos, crowd. So these are the some kinds of traffic rules. Do you understand now?
Yes, I understand.
Yes.
Yes.
Now I am going to ask you some questions. Now tell me, why should we obey these rules? Give reason. There is answer
Yes.
also, you can read and you can explain to me.
Why should you obey this rule?
Answer is given there, you have to just read and explain it to me. Yes.
Smooth running or
Services.
service
Yes, yes.
to or
To
avoid
avoid accident.
accident,
Yes.
save time,
To save time
avoid chores and
and
fighting,
fighting. To
give
give
equal offer
opportunities
to all,
to all. Yes.
respect each other.
Yes. If we follow the rule, all these things will happen. And if you don't follow these rules, this thing will not happen. There will be fighting, there will be accident. We will not respect each other, we will fight each other. So if we want to avoid all these things, we should follow the rules. Is it right? Are you getting it?
Yes.
Yes.
So that's why we should follow the rule. If anybody asks you, why should we obey the rule? Can you please give me reason so you can tell them this reason?
For smooth running
Yes,
or service, audio
yes,
accident,
yes,
to save time, to audio choice and fighting,
yes,
to respect each other, to
yes.
give
Equal
equal of
opportunities to all.
oppor-
Yes, means the person who
opportunity
comes first
to
will
all.
go first. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. So all these are the common things that we should follow.
Yes, sir.
And these are the reason. Keep in your mind, this question will come in your exam. Next. Now tell me, can we change the laws of nature? Laws of nature means, see, sunrise in the east, set in the west, sunrise in the morning, sets in the evening, rain comes in the rainy season, in summer season it gets the hot weather.
Yes.
So all these things are natural. We cannot change the nature. Can we change the nature?
No.
No.
We cannot
Changes in-
change laws
Yes.
of nature.
Yeah. Changes in the season happen after equal intervals of time. The law of gravity does not change. The rising and falling of tides, the phases of the moon, all of these things occur according to the laws of nature. Nature's laws are constant and fixed. Is it right? Nature's laws are some laws are constant and
Yes.
fixed. Everything happens after equal interval of times. They do not become outdated. And however, human law need to be changed with changing condition. But
Yes.
we can change our own rules. And why we set our own rule? For betterment of our society, for welfare of our people, those who are living in our society. So we can update our rule. Is it right? We can
Yes.
change our rule according to the situation, according to the need, according to the welfare of our people. We can change them. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Is
Our
it
society
right?
works according to certain rules. And why we set these rules? We set these rules for our society to bring harmony in the people. We make the rule for ourselves. We follow these rules, become they are meant for common good. Proper changes are also required to introduce. Sometimes we can change some rule. We must change this rule according to time and need of our society. So all these things happen. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir. I understand.
Next, what do you see in the picture?
One girl, one student, and one teacher.
Yes. So teacher is asking, people of every age need nourishing food. He is asking to the child or that girl.
Don't girl need as no. Don't girl need as
Diet as given to boys. At home they feel only my brother
my
needs good food.
brother needs good
Yes.
food.
Yes. So she is asking question. So her question is correct. Yes. Her question is correct. Means at some houses, what do we see?
Yes.
Major importance is given to the boys and not to the girls. But it is not good at all. Girls and boys both are equal. Both needs good food, good health. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we should treat boys and girls equally.
Yes.
Next, I
I
have
have
return all
returned
your
all
money. How can
your
I?
money. How can I still be in debt?
Yes.
Debit.
In the rural area, you see Saukar is there. Some money lender peoples are there. Poor people, they take money on high
And
interest, and even they return their money to that Saukar. So that Saukar is, or that money money lender is asking him, how can I have paid you all the monies, and even though I can, how can I still be in debt? So all these things should be stopped in our society. Government need to introduce some strong rules. Is it right? Next.
even though I work without a single holiday in a month, why do you pay me so little?
Yes. In some houses, we see some women are there. They are doing their household works like sweeping, cleaning the pots, all the housework. But some people give them very less salary. So it is not good. We have to pay them as their right, good salary, and we should not do injustice on them. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Very good. Next, how these rules are useful. Prohibition against the loudspeaker in the public places after 10 o'clock at night. You can see such things in the cities. Free primary education for boys and girls. This free primary education for boys and girls, this is the rule of government, and all the government school give the free and compulsory education for boys and girls. Prohibition against dumping garbage in the river. So this is also the very important rule. Protection against domestic violence for women. Then ban on child labor.
Child labor.
Yes. Ban on felling trees, hunting and poaching. So all these are the rules by the government. We have to follow all these rules very strictly. If you don't
Yes.
follow these rules, government will take some action. So these rules are for better running of our society. Next, which are some our social problem or social issues? The picture and tell me.
First is
First is illiteracy. Yes,
illiteracy.
illiteracy. Superstition.
Second is superstition.
Yes.
Third is child labor. And fourth is child marriage.
Yes. So illiteracy means not getting proper education, not getting education which is required for person. So that is illiteracy. So we should give all the student, boys, girls, equal opportunity to learn. So our government is giving free and primary compulsory education for all boys and girls from age 6 to 14. Next is superstition. We see so many superstition at our home, at our society. We have to avoid this superstition and we should believe on the scientific proof. So that will avoid superstition. Next is child marriage. So government has banned on child marriage. Government has set some rules. Boy should be 21 years of age and girl should be 18 years of age. Then only you can marry. You can marry them. Is it right? Government
Yes.
will permit you to for marriage. Child labor at every workplace, at hotels or at every workplace, child labor is strictly prohibited. The person who has completed 18 years only allowed it to work. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Next, do you know caste discrimination, gender inequality, and lack of education for women were some of the big obstacles in our society before 50 years or 100 years before? Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, Rajeshri Shahu Maharaj, and Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar tried to get rid of these obstacles or this problem. Savitribai Phule had to fight a great battle for women's education. Her colleagues, Hatima Sheikh, proved her with valuable assistance in this fight. Maharshi Dhondokesha Kaure also did great work to promote women's education. So all these people had done very good job for our society. They have done very great work for our society to bring education in our society.
Mama.
What do you see in the picture?
Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar.
Yes, Dr.
Bhimrao
Babasaheb
Ramji
Ambedkar
Ambedkar.
had done very good work for education. Then Rajeshri Shahu Maharaj.
Shahu Maharaj.
Yes, he has also given some educational policies for our
Yes.
society. Then
Savitribai Phule and
and Mahatma Phule.
Mahatma Phule.
Yes, Savitribai Phule and Mahatma Phule also work hard for educating women and for our society. So how to protect our environment? How can we protect our environment?
Noise pollution.
Yes, we have to stop noise pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, radioactive pollution, air pollution.
Area pollution.
So these are the now present problems. These problems were 50 years before. Yes, and now we are overcoming that problem. We are solving that problem. But with changing time, we have our problems are changed. Okay, now we are getting education. Now girls are going to school. Now we all are doing all this thing. But these are the new problem. Is it right? This is the problem of new era, 21st century. These are the new problem. There is noise pollution, there is soil pollution, there is water pollution, air pollution, radioactive pollution. So now we have to need to concentrate on this problem. So how we can solve this problem? We have to follow the rules.
Yes.
If we follow the rules, given by government, our problem will automatically finish. Next, What do you do?
10 easy
What will you
ways.
do? You can use fluorescent bulbs. You can turn off your computer at night. You can recycle the product. You can go vegetarian. Yes. You can use the lace tissue paper. Use both sides of paper. You can take the stairs without using lift. You can take the stairs. You can avoid the, you can save the light. Be creative and reuse. Take shorter shower, skip baths, and switch off the light when it is not needed. So if you do such thing, you will save the light, electricity. Is it right? And you will also avoid the pollution. So all these things are in our hand and we can do. So whatever or however it is possible, that much we should do. Is it right?
Yes.
Very good. Next, ways to protect the environment at home. At our home, how we can save our environment? We can
Conserve
conserve
energy,
energy,
save,
water,
conserve
food,
energy, save water, use eco friendly products,
product,
use filtered
water,
water,
start
start
up
up compost
pile.
pile,
Yes. Plant
pile, plant
vegetable,
vegetable, recycle and
reuse.
reuse, pick up litter,
Yes.
make homemade,
Desserts.
use cloth shopping bags.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And we can off our tab when not required. So all these things if we do at our home, we will help our environment to be good. Next,
Yes.
what we have learned, we will revise in short. Rules
Rule
are made
made
for people.
rules made of for people are changed from time to time. Rule in the ordained dates were in the form of
Religious traditions,
religious tradition and
social
social
customs.
custom.
Yes.
Laws are made to come back in human and
Undesirable
understand.
traditions and customs.
Yes. Sorry, sir. Slow the flow, save
Save.
H2O.
Yes. Next. So there are some evaluation questions. Now I am going to ask you. You have to answer me. Why are the rules made? Can you tell me? Just now we have learned. Why are the rules made? Can you tell me why are the rules made?
What?
Why are the rules made? Why there is rule? Why are the rules made?
Don't traffic.
Yes, for smooth functioning of the society.
Yes.
Yes. Next question. Why are the big obstacles? Sorry, what are the big obstacles in our society? Superstition,
Yes.
child marriage, not getting proper education, noise pollution, air pollution.
Yes.
Yes, all these are the big obstacles in our society. Next, why do we follow the traffic rules? Why do we follow? To avoid the accident. Yes.
Yes, accident, our accident.
To reach on the place on time.
Yes,
to avoid
sir.
fighting with each other, to bring harmony,
State
to bring
any
love among the people. That's why we need to follow the traffic rules. Next question. State any one law of nature. Can you tell me any one law of nature? Law of nature.
law of nature.
Nature. Sun will rise in the east only. Yes.
And
Yes.
summer season only for 4 months, and rainy season
Yes, rainy season.
only 4 months.
Yes, yes, yes. In rainy season,
Don't 5 months, 6 months.
Yes, yes, yes. And in winter season, you will get cold, not hot.
Yes.
Is it right?
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. How
Name,
will you parent?
name
Yes.
one
Name
good
one
custom.
good.
Custom means any one good thing that happens in your society. Any one good custom. means like Ganesh festival. We all together celebrate Ganesh festival. It is good for our society because we all people of different castes, different tradition. We all come together. Yes, for the good
Yes.
purpose, for the God. We all come together, and we do not discriminate between us. We cannot say that you are from this caste, or this caste. Instead of coming from different caste, we celebrate Ganesh festival together. We eat together. We dance together. We sing together. So this is good.
Yes, sir.
Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. We can say that this is a good custom. Next, how will you work? Sorry, how will your parents react if you do not do your homework?
They
How?
will shout to us.
Yes, they will shout on us. They will ask,
Punishment.
why don't you do your homework on time? What happens to you? They will ask different questions, and you have to answer them. So it is good to do homework on the time. Is it right?
Yes.
Very good. Now this is question for your homework. Take a screenshot.
Sir, I take it.
Yes, you took it.
No,
Yeah.
I take it. Screenshot.
One more question is there for homework. Second question.
I take it screenshot.
Okay. Very good. And thank
And
you
social
for
distancing.
attending my online class. Thank you very much.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir. Bye,
Thank
sir.
you.
Have a nice day.